Have a DTG file with guitar music notation? This is a desktop guitar score file used for guitar tablature and notation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these guitar score files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening DTG files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. DTG files are score files used by desktop guitar or similar guitar tablature applications. They contain guitar music notation, including tablature, standard notation, chord diagrams and song arrangements used by guitarists for learning, practicing, and performing musical pieces with detailed playing instructions for the guitar instrument. DTG score files use a structured format, storing guitar-specific musical notation, including string and fret positions, rhythm values measure structure, and song metadata. The format may include MIDI playback data, tempo information, chord notation, and special guitar techniques like bends, slides, and harmonics following desktop guitar's notation specification. The initial software setup links the DTG file directly to desktop guitar by Desktop Music. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows enables quick previews, but comprehensive editing requires digital audio workstations. Your first move is to test the obvious. Right-click your DTG file and choose Open With. Use Desktop Guitar if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. We are performing a quick elimination test. If the DTG file won't open, don't panic. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, opening in Desktop Guitar. Install Desktop Guitar application that originally created the DTG file. Use File then Open to load the score. The application displays the guitar notation enabling reading and playback for practice purposes. The original software provides best compatibility with all notation features specific to the format. Next, trying Guitar Pro. Open DTG files in Guitar Pro, which handles various guitar tablature formats. Use File then Import to attempt loading the DTG file. If direct import fails, consider exporting from Desktop Guitar to a standard format like MIDI or Guitar Pro format for use in mainstream guitar tab applications. Finally, converting to MIDI. Convert DTG files to MIDI format using export functions in the original Desktop Guitar application or compatible converters. MIDI format preserves musical notes and timing information, enabling playback in any music software. This standardization provides format flexibility for using the music in different applications and workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.